Hey everyone, welcome to Healthy Fun Work. Today I'm going to be talking about the Raindrop Technique kit that I got. I offer the Raindrop at my office in Madison. Healthy Fun Works is the name of my business. Today I am diffusing in my little Feather the Owl diffuser eucalyptus, which is really good for clarity, and spearmint, which smells amazing, and I'm loving this combination. So I'm just going to talk to you briefly about this kit. It's really cool. I've been offering the Raindrop Technique for 7 years now, but never actually bought the kit because I buy the large bottles of oil. The kit is really cool. It comes like this. It has 9 oils and 2 massage oils included. So it has the V6, which is a really good carrier oil, which helps with sort of a time release effect. Also, if some of the oils are, they might burn your skin, like oregano oil might burn your skin, but when you use the V6 carrier oil on the back, it will not burn the skin. Also, if you have the Vitality version of oregano and you want to put that in a capsule, you can put some V6 drops in there before you swallow that capsule. So also, Ortho Ease comes with the kit, and with these 2 giant massage oils, you get this little spout, I don't know what you call it, whatever that is called, that comes with it, so that you can just use it as a trigger and just pump, pump action thing. You can stick it in there and just be able to pump the oils when you're going to use it to massage the back. You can buy these for home use as well and use them on yourself or your spouse or your kids or whatever. So Ortho Ease massage oil is amazing. It has wintergreen and peppermint and juniper and marjoram and eucalyptus and thyme and vetiver, and then it has some carrier oils. It has grapeseed oil in there, and this also has caprylic triglycerides, so it has some coconut in there as well. This smells incredible. This is one of my favorite. This was my first large massage oil, Ortho Ease. It's really good for after exercising, which I exercise pretty much every day of the week. So I was always using this when I first got it, and I ran out and I need to go get another one, but I just got it. So anyways, Valor is the first oil that is used when you are going to give the Raindrop Technique. Valor is one of my favorites. It always came in the kit, the Premium Starter Bundle, which is called the bundle now. And Valor is one of my favorite oils. It's very, although it's empowering, it's also calming and helps you be at peace, and it's really good for relaxation. So that's one of the main oils. You put 10 drops down the spine when you are doing the Raindrop Technique, and I just love the way that one smells. So after doing this whole raindrop on somebody, it kind of smells like a pizza in my room. They kind of smell like a pizza, but it's like my favorite ever because I'm Italian. So then there is oregano, which is a hot oil, which is an amazing oil. It has so many different uses. I'm going to read to you a little bit about the oils. So let me just go real quick and say that these statements have not been evaluated by the FDA. This information is intended for educational purposes and is not meant to substitute for medical care or to prescribe treatment for any specific healthy condition. These products are not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. So I am using somebody else's flyer, so I want to make sure that I say that when I am telling you this information. So oregano is one of the most powerful and versatile essential oils. It contains strong immune enhancing and antioxidant properties. It is a key oil for the Raindrop Technique. It's designed to help electrical alignment in the body and supports the respiratory system. It's high in carvacrol and phenylpropanoids, which help cleanse cellular receptor sites. Oregano oil smells incredible. It is a hot oil. It is a very intense oil, and it is good for so many different things. But it is the first oil after using Valor in the Raindrop Technique. The next oil is thyme oil. So thyme oil has a spicy, warm, herbaceous aroma that is both powerful and penetrating. Known since ancient times as a medicinal herb, thyme contains large amounts of thymol and is supportive of the body's natural defenses. It supports the immune, respiratory, digestive, nervous, and other healthy body systems. Also, cool story about thyme oil. My dog just had a tick. My husband takes him out hiking in the woods pretty much once or twice a day, and he just recently had a tick, and I put thyme oil on top of it, which is a hot oil, and that tick just immediately wanted to let go. So really cool thing about thyme oil, also it immediately died. So that tells you how hot the oil is. It's really hot. Basil is next. So each of the oils, as I'm putting these on the body, have a technique that goes with it. So every time I put an oil on, there's a certain technique that D. Gary Young, the founder of Young Living, invented. And when I do this on the body, each oil has a technique. Basil is one of my favorites. I'm Italian, of course. Inhaling basil can refresh the mind, restore mental alertness, and sharpen your sense of smell. Relaxing for fatigued or aching muscles, both voluntary and involuntary. Voluntary muscles include all the motor muscles of the arms, legs, back, abdomen, neck, and face. Mentally energizing and invigorating, provides support during anxiety, improves sense of taste and smell. This is one of the oils that I've always used when people lose their smell. So a lot of people lose their smell with COVID. Basil oil is one of the oils that I will help them use. Just inhale it several times a day, and actually helps you get your smell back, which is really cool, but also does a lot of really cool things for the body. One of my favorite smells ever. Next one is cypress, which is really good for circulation. So a lot of things that I do at my office help people increase their circulation in their body. Cypress is supportive of the circulatory and lymphatic system, stimulates the body's natural white corpuscle production, supports the body's natural response to irritation and injury, composed with 76% monoterpenes and 14% sesquiterpenes, which may assist in restoring proper cellular programming to restore health and maintain wellness. Smells incredible. You guys can go for a hike here in Alabama and see cypress trees everywhere. When I lived in Florida, we had several of them on our property. I love the smell of cypress trees. I often just take it in the morning and put it across the back of my neck, and I also put it on the back of my knees where I have some veins showing there, because it's really good for circulation. So next oil is wintergreen. Who doesn't love the smell of wintergreen? I love wintergreen. I use it often. I like to diffuse basil and wintergreen because it is an amazing smell. Wintergreen contains methyl salicylate, phenolic ester, excellent for bones, beneficial in massage for soothing head tension and muscles after exercising because of its cortisone-like effect. Stimulates the body's own production of natural cortisone without the side effects of synthetic counterpart. Supports joints and skeletal structure. Also have analgesic properties. Do not ingest is what it says on here. So, love it. Use it on your body. Don't drink it, I guess. I love the smell of it. I probably could drink it. Although there is wintergreen gum and wintergreen mouthwash and everything else that you put in your mouth usually has wintergreen. Young Living says not to ingest it. However, when I talked to the scientists at Young Living, they had a little bit of a different idea. But I'm not going to share that on here. You can message me if you want to know. So marjoram is the next essential oil. Marjoram is one of my favorites. I'm always excited when I get to marjoram when I'm doing the raindrop. So when you guys are receiving the raindrop, you're getting so many benefits. And when I'm giving the raindrop, I'm also getting the benefits. I'm absorbing each of the oils into my hands, and I'm getting to inhale them all. If I ever have a stuffy nose from eating something with gluten in it, it immediately clears up when I'm giving the raindrop. So marjoram has a woody and spicy aroma, has a calming and warming effect on both mind and body, soothes tense muscles after exercise, beneficial for simple nervous tension, relaxing to involuntary and voluntary muscles, soothing to nerves, and helps with head discomfort. One of my all-time favorite oils. I diffuse it often too, just by itself, because I love the smell of it. Aroma Seas is another really cool oil. I don't think we actually offer Aroma Seas in a small. We only offer it in a 15 when you're going to buy it without the kit. Aroma Seas is really good for head discomfort, relieves tension in spastic muscles after from stress or from sports-related injuries. Really helps you to be able to relax and calms the body, calms the person immediately. Peppermint is the last oil, and peppermint is good for 6 of the body's systems, which is pretty cool. I don't even think peppermint is on here. Oh yeah, it is on here. Supports digestive, respiratory, nervous systems. Peppermint is often used for if you're feeling anxious. Shown that inhaling peppermint improves concentration and mental retention. Detoxing for the liver, a synergistic oil that supports and improves the beneficial action of other oils used in conjunction. So it also amplifies the effect of the other oils, which is really cool. And then white angelica, which I actually forgot to get from upstairs. I was going to show it to you. At the end of the raindrop, you can offer, it doesn't come in the kit, you can offer it, you can take it and rub it on your hands and just hold it above the person's nose, rub it on the back of their neck, and help them to be able to just inhale it a little bit. It raises your frequency, which really, one of my favorite things I love to say about white angelica is when I'm giving the raindrop, Once upon a time, I was giving the Raindrop to somebody who had the flu, and within minutes, I basically got sick because I absorbed all the toxins that came out of their body. So really, really is good with raising your frequency, helping you not to be able to absorb others' negative energy. It's one of my favorite things to say about White Angelica. I honestly feel like when I put my hands on people, it is very easy to absorb all the junk that's going on mentally and physically in their bodies. And when I'm giving the Raindrop, I like to not get that inside my body. So I use White Angelica. You can put it on the client's shoulders, you can put it on your own shoulders, and I put it on my thyroid and I inhale it before giving a Raindrop. Also really good for, it basically works on emotional balance. It has 10 essential oils in it. So it's a really, really cool oil. Sorry, I forgot it. I was going to show it to you, but I use it often. I wore it today as perfume. So this is a really cool little flyer that I offer to people who come to my office. If you want to learn more about the Raindrop, you can read it, learn about the oils. It also shows the VitaFlex foot chart on here, and then gives a couple little different kinds of tips on here. Tells about the Raindrop process a little bit, and really cool. I will give you one of these for free if you come to my office. If you want to book a Raindrop with me, just let me know. My number's on there. Talk to you later. Thanks for watching. See you Tuesday. Bye.